Satin Advanced Parameter, Threshold Width and Threshold Offset. This is an advanced satin stitch effect. Let's see. Here, we have one object. To copy object, press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V shortcut key. Change the color of the duplicate object. In Satin Advanced Properties, click on Scalfeed button and set Threshold Width value as you need. Here you can see the width of the duplicate object as given. Here you can see no stitches, skip. In Satin Advanced Properties, set Threshold Offset value 2. Here you can see Threshold Offset skip 1 stitch in object. In Satin Advanced Properties, set Threshold Offset value 3. Here you can see Threshold Offset skip 2 stitch in object.